these cards just really reached out to me and drew me in.
I have learned so much and have grown so much in just a day.
I came to this workshop after talking to Sonia about a week ago, but having admired her artwork, where I go to my spiritual center for quite some time.
I came across her at a fair not too long ago and was really touched by her spirit and her gentleness and how she spoke to me and did a reading for me, and it was very, very accurate and clear and helped me gain some clarity.
The cards resonate on every level, and they're so accurate and true. They can help provide the guidance that anyone needs to be able to get through things that are going on in their life and help through their transformation journey.
I wasn't quite sure what I was going to get into, other than I have looked at the cards and I thought it would just be a really amazing experience to actually learn what these cards are, to learn more about how they came to her, because I know that it was a divine guidance, divine intervention, so to speak, with the entities that just guided her into these transformation cards.
I had no idea how deeply they would touch me. This has been such an emotional journey.
Definitely it's something that I would recommend if you want to branch out into a new area of awareness, spirituality, learning more about yourself and what you're here to do.
What I'm learning through these workshops is that I'm transforming myself, I'm growing, I'm learning who I am through the amazing cards and the messages that they give.
So I highly encourage, whether you just want to learn for yourself or use it as part of your practice in helping others, this is one of the best decks and teachers. The opportunity to learn from the artist herself is something that you will never be able to get anywhere else, and something that you should truly experience.